Hi, welcome back to my channel, and this is Meg from Authentically MEG. Today's video is going to be a short video to show you some ways that you can use blocks to help modify and to help grow your yoga poses and your different asanas, and perhaps realize your potential and use them for support. I know often we go into class and aren't quite sure what to do, so I'm just going to show you a few ways that I use them. So normally I have my mat sort of set up, and I often just kind of place them right on either side of my mat in front of me. You can use them in different ways, right from the beginning of practice perhaps. You can put it in between your leg, and that definitely helps kind of find some fire and some strength, find that element in your practice. So right now I'm having to engage. You can use it there also then in chair pose. So on the side that might look like this. Chair pose, I sometimes also take it in my hands to find just a little bit of strength and energy in my arms as well. So these first ones that I'm showing you are definitely to find more power in your practice, find the element of fire a little bit more in your practice, to ignite your muscles, especially in your core, your legs, or your arms, which come from your back, of course. The other way. Whatever that might be, you can also just hold it in front. And with my hands being open here, my shoulders back, on my back body, finding fire and energy here. Okay, great. Use that. Here I can also come into plank with it in between my legs. I can slowly even lift up toes. Again, this is just to kind of upward modify and find some fire in your practice. You can do any sort of variation there. And it can also then be used in bridge. So when you're lying on your back, just up into wheel there, or a small bend there, or go up into wheel pose here, and again it helps you ignite your inner leg muscles. And then you just gently lift it out if you're doing something else. Okay, sorry, I just didn't want to go back down to the sand there. Okay, now some ways to sort of help find a little bit more length or breath in your practice. So perhaps you're using it in any sort of lunge to find a little bit more length, find a little bit more room to sort of complete and lengthen your arms so you have some more energy there. Trikonasana or triangle pose. Some teachers like it in front, some teachers behind, but I often use it to find length here, so I can really get into it and reach. Maybe you're also using it to help work on a bind. So I'll go backwards for this. Help work on a bind. Sometimes I use it to fill up space that I don't really have and that I need. So, just sitting down here in a nice deep squat. Can also be used getting into things like Hanumanasana or your splits, whatever way that might be. And then sort of using it to hold your body up here if needed. The long and the short, there are so many ways that your blocks can be used. Don't be scared to use them, whatever it might be, little or big, to upward modify or make things a little bit harder and find more fire, or just to access a pose a little bit more easily. And really be able to get your shoulder blades onto your back and find that length that you're perhaps looking for or missing. Of course, if you're looking at flexibility too, it's also a nice way to perhaps you put your foot up on the block, or your knee up on the block behind. You're perhaps looking to get into a pose a little bit deeper. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my video. I hope you're able to hear me. If you did enjoy this, please smash that subscribe button and that thumbs up. And until next time.